Hello students, my name is Steffi Fernandez from Podar International School, Bhavnagar. Today, I will teach you the chapter Wastewater Story. The learning outcomes for today's topic are: you will understand what is wastewater, the parts of wastewater, and the sources of wastewater. So let's start the topic. Water is one of the most important natural resources. It's vital for every living form on earth. A living organism cannot survive for long without water. Humans use water for various purposes and for various activities. Humans use water for drinking, agriculture, sanitation, and industrial purpose. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water, but it is distributed in different areas. But do you think we can drink water from anywhere? I have a short story for you. The story is of a boy named Ram. One evening, Ram decided to go for a walk. After walking for a few minutes, Ram was tired. He was thirsty. He decided to sit on a bench which was just near a lake. On the other side, he saw few children having bath in the lake. Just near them, there was a woman. She was washing clothes in the same water. Now, my question to you is, Ram was thirsty. Do you think Ram should drink the water from the lake? The answer is no. Ram should not drink that water. So, why shouldn't he drink that water? The answer to it is, the water is not potable. So, what is the meaning of potable? Clean and water which is fit for drinking is called potable water. Two necessities. The first one is clean water. The second necessity, fit for drinking. The water which is clean and fit for drinking is called potable water. When we look at the story, the water which was there collected in the lake was not clean. It was dirty. It was polluted because children were having bath there. A lady was washing clothes in there. So I would say the water was polluted, the water was dirty. Such type of water is not fit for drinking. So, what can we name such water? Yes, you guessed it right. This water, which is unclean, which is dirty, polluted, such type of water is called wastewater. If we have to define wastewater, the proper definition would be the dirty, polluted water which is generated from various domestic, industrial, hospitals and agricultural activities is known as wastewater. I would like to repeat the definition. What is wastewater? The dirty, polluted water generated from industries, domestic, hospital and agricultural activities is known as wastewater. It is not fit for drinking. In fact, a large amount of water is produced in wastewater. Only a small amount of it, not the wastewater, but only a small amount of water is used for drinking. In your home also, in the offices, in the schools, a lot of wastewater is collected. This wastewater is collected and led into pipes. From these pipes, it is transported into the main large drainage pipes. This is called sewage. So, in another word, we can say sewage is another term for wastewater. So, if we have to define sewage, we could say that sewage is nothing but a wastewater. I could say flowing wastewater in drainage pipes. I would repeat, what is sewage? Sewage is flowing wastewater in the drainage pipes. So I hope now you understood what is wastewater. Let's now understand the parts of wastewater. There are two parts of wastewater. The first part is grey water and the second part is black water. These are the two parts of water, wastewater. Let's understand grey water. The water which is coming out from kitchen, sinks and washing machines. Such type of water would be categorized in grey water, whereas the water which is coming out from toilets and urinals are considered as black water. So in other words, we could say that black water contains urine, solid waste and flush water. All around the world, the grey water and black water are treated separately. However, in India, the grey water is mixed inside the black water in the drainage pipes. So these were the two parts of the wastewater. Let's now understand the sources of wastewater. These are the sources of wastewater. The water which is collected from all these sources create wastewater. The first source is domestic wastewater. The wastewater which is collected from kitchens, from washing machines come in this category. In short, the wastewater from day-to-day activities. It could be brushing, it could be having bath. Such type of wastewater comes from this way, from the domestic wastewater. About the second, industrial wastewater. The wastewater which is collected from industries. There are various types of industries. We have paint industry, dye industry, industries which supply hospitals, their medicines, construction sites. There are various materials needed in the construction site. Various industries provide these items. So the waste material coming from them is a source of wastewater. Similarly, mining industry. So these industries produce wastewater which has a lot of chemicals in them, and the source is industry. The last source of wastewater is agricultural wastewater. The wastewater which includes all the waste of the animals, insecticides and pesticides is coming from the agricultural wastewater. So these were the sources of wastewater. Thank you.